In 2018, Jan and I bought this property on a visit back to Adelaide. We were living in England at the time, but we were planning to come back home. Yeah, we were looking for the forever house. It was really a total transformation that we were looking for. What we found in talking to Craig is that we got somebody that could understand the sort of things that we wanted and all the ideas that we've been sort of working along for 10, 15 years. We believed that he had a lot of passion for what he did, but also it was the right type of company that we were looking for.
The type of home, being an old bungalow, sort of a heritage home, definitely appealed to me. And also some of the ideas that Tony and Jan brought across from living in the UK, so it was something a bit different and also a challenge working with the old part of the house.
So Jan sort of had a vision for the house in terms of the way that it would look and feel. But yeah, there were very specific things that we wanted, you know, right down, as I said, to the paint colours, to the floor, to moving walls and doors, and it would open up the house as we wanted. We felt very comfortable. You know, it was almost like a family. You know, when the guys would show up, you know, they'd have a cup of coffee, they'd get to work. And as I said, we had absolutely no hesitation in just leaving the guys to do what they wanted to do. There was a huge level of trust. And, you know, the thing that we liked, especially from Nick, you know, he treated it like it was his place. And that was really important to us, that he would guide other contractors and other people coming into the place, make sure that they were doing exactly what was needed. And as I said, had a great deal of sort of, you know, respect for us and the house.
One of the things that Tony and Jan were keen on and really specific around was the joinery detail, so getting our custom joiner involved, the herringbone floors, getting the right trades in that know how to work with the premium products. And I think the icing on the cake for the guys on site in particular was getting the garage sorted for Tony. And to look at it from the front, you would not be able to tell that it's been added on. Sourcing the old red bricks to tie in with the existing house and polishing off the concrete floor and sealing that for Tony's new baby to come in and have a new home.
We had things that came up, such as when we started doing a bit of work, we had sort of, you know, underground plumbing that needed to be repaired and fixed. We had some planning issues around the garage that I wanted, that originally they didn't get planning approval. And again, Craig was fantastic. You know, he came down to the council offices with me. We talked about it. We went through it with the council offices, and we finally got the sort of design and the garage that we were looking for.
The landscaping on this project was an exciting one for me, working closely with Jan in particular to refine the design and bring that to fruition. Working with exceptional products, wet laying granite paving throughout, consulting closely with our landscape gardener, and still have it in keeping with the house. Weybridge House was a real pleasure to work on with Tony and Jan, and the results speak for themselves. It's a beautiful, warm place and really shows off who Tony and Jan are as people.
This was always our ambition. We would come back to Adelaide. This would be our forever home and a place where our kids and grandkids would, you know, feel like it was their home as well. So that was the main objective, and we've most definitely got that.